Have you always wondered why you have to pay for Cloud Code and not use any free open source AI coding tool like OpenCode? This is one of the area where people has been always looking for how to use Cloud Code for free forever using like Olama or OpenRouter. In March 11th, there was a mystery model called the Hunter Alpha, which was appeared on internet with zero documentation and announcement. And within 7 days, developers were running like 500 billion tokens a week. Some thought it's like a DeepSeek, and some said like Google. But on recently in OpenCode, you can see that this has been published and it outperforms Cloud Code Opus, and this is completely free in OpenCode. If you look at the models which we use in Cloud Code, you can see we have like Sonnet, Opus, and Haiku, which are paid. And in OpenCode, you also have paid models, and you can also use free ones. And if you look at the some of the free ones like Big Pickle, MiMo, and you can see the MiMo V2 Pro, which is completely free to use, and I'm using that for now. If you have not seen or have used OpenCode, let's start with what it is, because it's a free access live, which is a terminal native AI coding agent. Think like a Cloud Code, but open source and free. It runs inside your terminal, and it have different LLM providers which you can connect, and it have also like cross like 120k GitHub stars. OpenCode Zen is their built-in model gateway, which have curated model pre-tested for coding agent. Some cost money, some are free, and as I said, there's recently the option to use MiMo V2. So therefore, how to use it? Let me tell you the story. One thing which you need to be aware about the Hunter Alpha, which came up in OpenRouter, which zero documentation, and it had like a lot of usage. As I said, people thought like it was from DeepSeek, but then Xiaomi drops the mask. Right, this is from Xiaomi, and they have two different versions for it. One was the MiMo V2, another one was MiMo V2 Pro, and the other one was MiMo V2 Omni. So if you look at the MiMo V2, it's like a 1 trillion parameters, and it has like 1 million token of context. It is like a Opus. And you can also like MiMo V2 Omni, it's like a short form, but it have native for text, images, videos, and audios. You have 10 plus hours of continuous audio, GUI automation. A lot of things you can do with two of these free LLM models. So looking at the numbers, right? MiMo V2 is like 1 trillion parameters. You have like 42 billion active per interference, 1 million context window, and it's cost you $0. Whereas if you compare with some benchmarks, MiMo V2 Pro is more efficient from Claude Opus as per the benchmark which I can see. I'm not person who can completely verify, but I'm getting these metrics from internet, and you can also these things in a lot of internet documentation. If you look at this post from OpenCode, you can see they just published on a few days before that you can have MiMo V2 Pro and MiMo V2 Omni now free on OpenCode, and it's have the complete things, right? And people are really seen like it's damn good, but some people say it's crap for front end. So how to set, install OpenCode, and then you can set your models to MiMo V2 Pro, and then you will see the MiMo V2 Pro, and then you can start using it for completely free. MiMo V2 Omni is good for vision, like screenshot of a broken UI attached to your OpenCode. It can debug, audios. It can process 10 plus hours of continuous audios, GUI automation. You can do video processing natively, watch screen recording or a bug, diagnose it fully, temporal context. And if you don't know how to set up OpenCode, it will just take 2 minutes of you, and it's cost you zero cost. Do a brief install on Mac, and just go to your CD projects and open your OpenCode as a command line, and then you set your models. If you're running on Linux, there is a curl command you can install with that as well, and it's all good. OpenCode is super simple. I have a different video on how to set up OpenCode and use. You can have a look on that as well. If you look at it in OpenCode, you can just send a command and it will start doing analysis, and on the right side you will see the context and the usage. So basically, it can use as much as of tokens, but you will be charged, zero. You can see it's taking tokens, and you can see it's 0% of amount spent. And you can see it's creating the project structure, Docker Compose file, Prometheus, Grafana. It's super good for coding, and as I said, it's completely free, so it's nothing breaks or it doesn't cost you anything. Try this one out. So I wanted to share this as soon as I saw like there's this free option with MiMo, which could be super helpful for you guys. So the three takeaway is like MiMo V2 Pros, like it scores 86.7 on a terminal bench compared to Claude Opus, which is super good as well. And you can use other free models along with OpenCode, and it's super Frontier AI for commodity now, and Xiaomi ship this anonymously, and its advantages is free, right? As far as it's free, you can start using it. Nothing is going to block you. Let me know your comments. If you like it, if you see this is useful for you. It's an alternative for Cloud Core who don't want to pay for so much of subscription. So it's a complete option for to try a free open code version. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like the video, and see you in the next one.